We're going to add some trim around it and some accents. Okay, so here I'll just kind of draw a line around here. You just basically want to make it look like all mechanical stuff going around. I'll end up putting a cord over that, and I'm just kind of marking it. And maybe we'll come out from here, and we'll end up putting something in this middle area. Okay, so I'm going to need some cords rolled out. We'll see how far this one goes. All right, butter right in here. Oh, nice, it made it all the way. Get a little closer to me there. I've got some Decorator tips that I am just going to kind of put some marks in this, just so when I airbrush it they'll show up. Again, all kind of rivets and things of that sort. So I just kind of twist a little. I'm going to use this right here. This is just a little, again, a little tracing type wheel. And I'm going to just draw from right about here up, up, and then I'll go across here. And then come back with this. Same on this side, so it would be and we're going to have some things for the steam up top, but we will go ahead and do like a big couple of lines coming down here. It's really just random. It's anything you like, really. But if you can kind of cheat a little like this, and instead of putting strips on all the time, it's kind of cool. Okay, I am going to put a cord around there. Okay, so we've got a cord here, and I'll cut right there. And instead of doing all those, what I'm going to do is just actually press in like this. Just give a little bit different look. Alrighty. Cool. Okay, so now I need the little steamer things on top. Now I was thinking I could put dry ice in one of them. So I'm going to need something to put that in. This is what I'm going to put the dry ice in. So it's just a little container. It's not going to be, you know, coming out all over the place. But what you could do is put some little containers around the whole cake, and that would be pretty cool. So I just need to fill in this area a bit here. So I am cheating by using a piece of styrofoam here. If you really wanted to, you could use Rice Krispies. I just wanted to make sure it was supported. Okay, so once I've got it on there, I can just take this straight edge that seems to have my plastic attached to it. Oops. Get that out of there, it's ruining it. Okay, so I'm gonna pop this in the freezer for a minute or two.